Good evening everyone, my name is Bablu Dash and this is my video presentation for real-time software engineering alternative assessment, and my topic is response, and my topic from the appendix is response time analysis which is not schedulable. Introduction. This presentation will be real-time software engineering alternative assessment, and my part is response time analysis which is not schedulable. For the question one, our task was to identify five co-current tasks based on our project one and project two, and my group project for project one and project title was the real-time earthquake detection system based on earthquake system. And from that I find out total five concurrent system, which is number one, detect earthquake by ground motion, which will be from ground motion sensor. That the reason of this part is the one sensor always going to detect the earth motion. If there is something unusual motion, means they will immediately alert as an earthquake. The second concurrent program concurrent task is after detect the earthquake, the system will alert all the user by their mobile notification. It's like when sensor gonna identify something unusual of the ground motion, immediately they will identify as earthquake, and they will send alert notification to the users. After that, the system gonna find out the place, the safest place nearby, and they will notify the users. And after that the system, the fourth concurrent was is after this the system will send the mail and SMS to the nearest NGOs and hospital, because they are the one who actually gonna help people after earthquake for any situation. And at the last and the fifth concurrent task is, after all, the system will generate a report based on the incident, like what happened. So after I found these four concurrent tasks, I will try to make the period time, worst times, and then this time this table actually based on the paper, Dr. Diane's research paper. So based on that value, I will put all this value. The calculative, the question is, the third question was is what okay, suggest the parameter of ATP schedulability test result and assign the table and appendix A based on the rate monitor analysis using the appendix A approach. So calculating the scalability gas parameter based on the rate monitoring analysis specific at the table A appendix A. The second question was a short review of the compare existing essay tools. Select at least 3 essay tools for your review. So the short review is the schedule analysis tool. Determine the priority of a set of predict and appropriate real time task based on their timing requirement. Therefore, SAT task into account the designer knowledge of the application characterization data and associated real time requirements. Such requirements include timing constant, research sharing, and prediction relationship. As event action based framework, in a idea approach define the topical requirement that will affect the schedule analysis particular application. At least 3 schedulable analysis tools for my review is Charter, which is open source, 3D cap simulation, and the Times, which is also open source. So the first one was Cadre. Third, the Cadre real-time software architecture can be developed, and their schedule and other performance constant can be tested. Scheduling, simulation, and feasibility testing among the appearance and used to investigate sensitivity, schedulability. The third one is 3D cap simulation. OpenGL model can be controlled independently. Setting one model does not affect other model. permittive and specified models are set, and the other unique operation, other OpenGL operation are described by function call. A primitive consists is one or two more vertex. When two edge meet at the vertex, it define a point and endpoint of a line. The third one is times tool. The embedded system modeling and implementation tool. The times tool is used to model and implement embedded system. It consists of tool for modeling, scheduling, analysis, schedule, code generation. It is suitable for system described as a collection of job effective of regulation iteration based on the time and constant force. And the last question, which is number 3, A. Identify two research paper and then basic approach of the appendix A. So the EFD scheduling algorithm is industrial setting. In addition, it is continue to use fixed priority scheduling lead to the heterogeneous system, different scheduling policies within the same distributed system. So that's all for me. Thank you so much.